It is Christmas Day. What I like to do every year, kind of right after Christmas and between New Year's time, is to just kind of get my life reset and in order for the New Year's. And I like to go clean my entire room, like deep cleaning, go through all my stuff, get rid of stuff that I don't need, kind of like reorganize, and also just like get a fresh start, you know, for the New Year. So I have 5 days before I leave, so I want to go through all my stuff and leave my room on a clean slate and just have everything all put together. And I woke up this morning not feeling the best. My throat really hurts. It hurts to talk. I don't think I'm going to be talking that much in this video, but I wanted to do a deep cleaning my room finale because I know you guys really like those videos. That's what we're going to do. My last deep cleaning this room for several months. My room's not a complete mess. Like always, guys, I always have a pretty clean room. You guys know me, but to me it is very dirty and I need to deep clean it, you know what I mean? So over here, you guys can't really tell that much, but it's just everything is like shoved in and not well organized. Just kind of a little bit of a mess. And I want to go through and like fold some stuff. It's like very messy in my like closet and down here. The shoes just need to be reorganized. It is not organized whatsoever. This stuff, I mean, it's really not that bad, but I just want to go through and like reorganize and make everything clean. This stuff, like these drawers have just random like receipts and just crap in it that I don't need, so I'm just gonna like go through. I have some stuff piling up over here. This is some stuff I got for Christmas. I'm just like, I don't even know what I'm doing right now, like my cameras, and I'm just going through a few things. And then here's my bed, and I literally have been so lazy that I took my sheets off to wash them like a week ago, and I've just been way too lazy to just like change my sheets and like put them back on and stuff, that I've just been sleeping with like 3 blankets every single night instead of like getting my comforter and stuff.
Don't doubt this nigga. The truth, nigga.
Okay, I don't even know where to start like in here at all. Oh my god. Why do I do this to myself? Like why do I do that? I don't know. Here is like my pile up of shoes, but I put these away in here, but I need to clean the carpet because it's really dirty, so we're gonna vacuum real quick. I just got rid of some stuff over here. Here's a pile. And then here's some stuff that I took from my mom that I just never gave it back, so I'm putting that back. I took out some hangers, and this is like what it looks like now. I sorted it from like tank tops and like summer clothes to like winter clothes, and clearly you could tell this is a lot more clothes than over here, but since these are all so much thicker, they just take up like over half the closet. And I'm telling you guys, it is like jam-packed. I just broke this. That is how jam-packed it is, guys. Did you see that? I literally can't like move any of this stuff over because there's no room, and I just broke. And look, it's not even moving because it's like so stuffed in there. I don't feel like dealing with this right now. Oh god. So yeah, great, love that. I organized the bottom so all my shoes are nice and neat down here. Up here are my belts and my bags, and then electronic stuff, and then hats and gloves and stuff. Good morning, you guys. So it's the next day, and I thought that was fine for what I did that night, just like literally going through all my stuff and like getting rid of stuff, organizing all my clothes. That was a big part because I just felt like it was like overflowing on me, and like I had nowhere to put any of this like clothes. Just like, oh my god, I need to get rid of stuff. So I feel better about that. What I'm gonna do right now really quickly, I already changed the sheets on my bed. I like unexpectedly had to do that. I accidentally like spilt something on my bed, so I just like switched the sheets and everything. I'm gonna like make my bed, I'm gonna vacuum the floor, I'm gonna wipe down the windows and the dressers and stuff like that. So we're gonna do that right now. It's gonna be a little montage. So my bed is a mess. There's like dirt and stuff on my floor. It just needs to be vacuumed, and this is just a mess because I got stuff yesterday. I also got this suitcase just to have a good suitcase for myself, like that's mine, and I thought it was cute. Like, okay, at first I thought it looked very old lady-ish, but then like, thinking about it, I was like, it looks very like Europe-y, like old vintage kind of style looking. So I don't know, I'm still contemplating whether or not I like it, but I got it from Macy's for literally like $15 because I had gift cards there, so not a bad deal. So we're just gonna vacuum real quick. Okay, that's the best it's gonna get, okay? Alright, so as you guys saw, I just cleaned this entire half of my room, which I'm really proud about. I'm actually getting this done a lot quicker than I thought. Then again, my first deep cleaning video that went like viral that you guys saw, I literally deep cleaned every single freaking crevice in my room. Well, that's because it was really bad then. This time, it's like not as bad. I really just don't, I don't feel like cleaning like every single crevice like I did last time. Like I literally vacuumed like the ceilings. Like I did everything. So I'll leave that video down below if you guys want to see that. That was like an insane deep cleaning. Everything's pretty much fine now. I cleaned my dresser, my mirror. I cleaned all these drawers inside. So they're all like rolled and like nicely folded. I cleaned my closet as you guys saw, which is very nice. I vacuumed the floors, which is a lot better. In my bed over here, I actually prefer just sleeping with blankets instead of a comforter. I don't know why, just a lot more comfortable to me. I get really hot at night. I cleaned like the seals and everything like that. That window I cleaned this window, I cleaned this mirror right here, I cleaned this window, and so now all I have to do left in my room is clean this bookshelf because it's very dusty, and clean this mess because I just pushed everything over here. So we're gonna do this. This is a messy one, guys. I don't even know what's in here. So I just finished cleaning this side of my vanity. I have AirPods in with music playing, so I'm sorry if I'm not saying my words correctly because there's music playing right now. Okay, so here we go. I'll show you what I just did. This drawer has all my school supplies and stuff in it. I cleared out this entire thing because there's nothing in here that I need. All this was like school work, and so I cleared that all out. Camera stuff, which I'm probably gonna take with me. Here's just other little random knickknacks. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. I'm currently packing all my stuff up right now. It's actually all packed up. I'm leaving my room right now to go to Panama. So if you guys want to keep up with all of my adventures and all of my videos and everything, my move to Panama, I didn't really talk about it that much. I mean, everyone I know pretty much knows about it, but I didn't really talk about it to anyone like when I was leaving and stuff, especially on my YouTube. I don't think you guys know that. Yes, it is finally time for me to go to Panama. I have a few videos planned that I'm already working on, so if you guys want to see me packing for Panama, getting all ready, saying goodbye to all my friends and family, I have a video on that coming soon. All my stuff is over there packed up and everything is all clean. If you guys want to subscribe down below and stick around for the new year and all the new adventures, and follow me on all my social medias, pretty much posting consistently on like Instagram and stuff. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.